Welcome to Mishna. Mishnah Vav. Over here in this Mishnah, I'm going to discuss a minor. Pohe'ah. Pohe'ah is someone whose shoulders and chest is revealed, or like his shirt is ripped, right? And the blind, right? So three different people, and we're going to discuss each one. So Katan, Koreh b'Torah U'Metargem. Katan is allowed to go ahead and read the Torah and be Metargem. Aval, what is he not allowed to do? Eno pores al shema ve'eno oved lifnei hatav ve'eno osed kapav. Right? He can't go ahead and you pores al shema. He can't go ahead and be chazan for the Torah. He can't go ahead and do kohanim. Right? So again, it's like Armand is the only person in kohanim. He's not going to be the one to be to do kohanim in front of everyone. So now, interestingly enough, we see over here that Katan is allowed to go ahead and read from the Torah. And Rambam, actually, he originally wrote in his Pirush Mishnah over here that Katan could read the Torah. And he says this is after Shilishi, right? After Aliyat Shilishi. But interestingly enough, is he added words in the Pirush Mishnah, and he says, Amar Achad me'agionim ha'acharonim shezeh achar Shilishi. One of the Gionim said this is after Shilishi. And we see also in the Mishnah Torah, he's not posek like this, rather he's posek that a Katan could read all Aliyot, right? Any Aliyah in the Torah. And that's what, our community does rely on. When you have a Katan go ahead, reading certain aliyot from the Torah, it's really based on these halachot that are stemming from this Mishnah. Pohe'ah, right? Pohe'ah we mentioned is someone who has his shirt, it's ripped, it's his chest and his shoulders are showing, right? We actually targum for arum v'yachef, right? It's Pohe'ah v'yachef. Right? So you see someone's like practically naked. That's what we're calling him. So Fores al Shema, you go ahead and lead the kahal in Shema, Metargem, and be Metargem. Aval eno koreh b'Torah, right? It's not honorable to read the Torah like that. Ve'eno oved lifnei hatav, he cannot be Hazan either. Ve'eno nosed kapav, he can't go ahead and do Birkat Kohanim. Someh. Right, Someh is someone who's blind. Pores al Shema U'Metargem. You go ahead and read the Shema, even though the beracha is Yotzer Or U'Boreh Choshech. Right, you're thanking God, you're praising God for creating light and darkness. Right, and even though he's blind, he could go ahead. He's still praising God over here, and he's Metargem. You could also translate Rabbi Yehuda Omer, right? You can't read the Torah because that you actually have to read. Right, but it could be Metargem. Anyone who did not see, right? If he's blind from birth and he never benefited from light, then he can't be Pores HaShema. He can't say the beracha Yotzer Or to lead the kahal. Tanakama argues on this, right? What does Tanakama say? Even though he never saw light, he still benefits from it, right? Other people are able to help him out. He still benefits, the heat of the day, he still benefits from the light. So therefore, according to Tanakama, he is allowed, and Halakha is not like Rabbi Yehuda, rather like Tanakama.